You don't have to jump through any hoops to show me you appreciate these idiom videos. Just hit the like button and leave a comment. After all, I'm bending over backwards to bring you the best and most complete English phrases and idiom lessons on YouTube. Meaning of the English idiom, jump through hoops. To jump through hoops means to do just about anything to please someone or to achieve an objective. To have to go through a very elaborate and complicated set of steps to get what you want. To do a lot of different things that seem overly difficult and unnecessary in order to achieve something. Or to satisfy demanding bureaucratic requirements or red tape. To jump through hoops is similar to the other idiom I used at the beginning, to bend over backwards, except bending over backwards doesn't have the connotation of being required or forced to do something. It means to do everything possible or to exert maximum effort, especially to help someone or to be nice or considerate to someone. Examples of use. It is not true that people on unemployment don't want to work. Most people will jump through hoops to get a job. The great thing about the stimulus money is that you don't have to jump through any hoops to get it. It was just automatically deposited in my bank account. You have to jump through so many hoops to sell a house. I can't understand most of what I'm signing. He expects me to jump through hoops to please him, like having dinner ready at 5 p.m. sharp. I'm done trying to satisfy his ridiculous demands. My mother needs to be admitted to the hospital. We shouldn't have to jump through hoops to make that happen. Origin of idiom. This idiom has been used since the early 1900s. The idiom alludes to trained circus animals jumping through actual hoops during a circus performance.